Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sure you guys love this look that you're seeing right now. If you want to know how I achieved this look, stay till the end. But quick, before we start, make sure to hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell beside. So let's go. And now basically all I started with is just a brown eyeshadow, and basically all I'm doing is just like blending that into my crease. I'm doing that in a back and forth motion, and I'm just making sure it's all diffused into the crease and it's all, blended out. And now I'm doing the same thing for the second eye, just blending it into my crease and making sure it's all blended out. It's all, just blending. I'm making sure to pack more at the edge than inside, making sure to just pack more at that edge to create somewhat like a smoky look. Now I'm doing the same thing for my second eye, basically just packing that eyeshadow at the edge and just blending that into the crease. And this is how it looks like. So right now I'm taking the Pro Conceal in the shade Medium Bisque, and I'm just carving out my crease, my cut crease, which is actually the goal of today. I'm basically just cutting out that crease. It's gonna be like a full crease, and I'm taking my time while doing this. I'm not rushing, I'm just taking my time and cutting that out. Initially I was actually planning on doing a winged cut crease, but then I changed my mind, so I just decided to go with the full-on cut crease. Yeah. And now I'm just blending off that wing that I was about to draw earlier. I'm just blending that off. And now I've done the second eye, and right now I filled in the first eye with the white eyeshadow. So now I'm showing you how I did it with the second eye, and I'm just basically just patting that eyeshadow, that white eyeshadow, into the crease that I've already cut earlier. I'm basically just patting it into it, just being very gentle and very gentle with it, just patting and patting and patting. As you can see, it has already brought out that crease and formed like a moon shape, if that is a thing, on my face. This is a full look, guys. I smoked out the edges, I smudged out the edges to make it a little bit softer. Now I've applied eyeliners, just a simple, gentle eyeliner. I didn't want something bogus, I didn't want something too big, I didn't want too much drama, so I just applied a little eyeshadow and some red lipsticks. Oh, my bonnet, yes. So right now I'm taking off my bonnet, and yes, this is the full look with my hair. Basically all I just did was just style my hair in kind of like a ponytail bun, and I just did this front sweep around the hair, so I just packed that in one. And as you can see, I hope you guys love what you're seeing. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, all those good stuff. I love you guys so much, so much. See you in my next video. Bye.